This is your fourth dictation homework for Year 9 German. So last time we focused on some specific German sounds, and these were W, Ö, E, I, and I. Okay, this time we're going to add in some extra sounds. You'll still hear those sounds every time. They're really common sounds in German, so you can still highlight those specific sounds as you're writing down the dictation. But this time I want you to focus on the S sound in German, so this Z that sounds like a T, S. You're also going to hear the sound Oi in the dictation today. Oi. And you will also hear quite commonly in German when a D is appearing at the end of a word in German, it sounds like a T. So T. Okay, so those are the three sounds that I want you to focus on today as you're listening. And these are the sounds that you are going to write down and highlight as you write them down. Remember, the dictation is just writing down what you hear. You don't have to translate it. Just write down what you hear as accurately as possible. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Früher wohnte ich in einem schönen Haus, aber es war zu klein. Früher wohnte ich in einem schönen Haus, aber es war zu klein. Früher wohnte ich in einem schönen Haus, aber es war zu klein. Number 2. Mein Haus hatte keine Heizung und es war zu kalt. Mein Haus hatte keine Heizung und es war zu kalt. Mein Haus hatte keine Heizung und es war zu kalt. Number 3. Heute wohne ich mit meinem Freund, der treu ist. Heute wohne ich mit meinem Freund, der treu ist. Heute wohne ich mit meinem Freund, der treu ist. Number 4. Als ich Kind war, hatte ich einen Garten. Ich fand es prima. Als ich Kind war, hatte ich einen Garten. Ich fand es prima. Als ich Kind war, hatte ich einen Garten. Ich fand es prima. Okay, check through your answers now. Make sure you've got all 4 sentences and see if you can highlight those new sounds. The oi, the ts, and the D at the end of the sentence sounding t. Good luck.